On a post-apocalyptic Earth where dust clouds swirl and the sky rumbles with impending storms, a determined young scientist strides towards a waiting rocket, holding a glowing digital map that illuminates his path. With each step through the desolation, hope flickers in his heart, for beyond the scars of this world lies the promise of a new beginning. As the rocket ascends, it breaks free from the confines of a dying planet, igniting the skies with fiery hope. In the vastness of space, our young scientist glimpses a new world awaiting exploration, radiating promise and adventure. Within the confines of the rocket, the young scientist is laser-focused, hands deftly maneuvering the controls as excitement crescendos within him. Beyond the cockpit, the new planet emerges a breathtaking vision of lush potential, igniting his dreams of building a future from the ashes of the past. As the rocket pierces through the atmosphere, it becomes enveloped in a brilliant light, heralding the arrival to a world brimming with life. Stepping onto the fertile ground, the young scientist feels a rush of exhilaration. He's not just a survivor, but a pioneer, embarking on an extraordinary journey of transformation.